In this video, we are going to fix the 0x800f0826 Windows Update error in Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshoot for Windows Update. How we can do that, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Settings. Here at the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane. Please find for an option which is called the system. Click on it. And under the system settings, you need to scroll down and find for troubleshoot. So click on that one. And here you'll see there's three options. Please proceed to other troubleshooters. And there you can see Windows Update. Please click on Run, which is corresponding to it. So click on Run the troubleshoot. So complete the procedure. And once you are done, I would suggest to check if the problem has been fixed. Okay. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the second solution. The next solution that we need to do is we need to restart the background intelligence service, the cryptographic service, the Windows installer, as well as the Windows Update service. So by that, you need to make a right click here at day start, and then you need to navigate to to this option called run. So once you have opened this small window, please type for services.msc and click on the OK button to proceed. Now at the services, please find for the first, which is the background intelligent transfer service. Make a right click and click on properties and then set the startup type into automatic. Start the service. Once you've started, click on apply and then click on OK. Once done, you need to locate for the cryptographic service. Okay, so but you just have to scroll down and locate for it. Okay. Once you have find it, you need to do the same. Make a right click, click on restart, and once you have restarted the service, make a right click, click on properties, set it into automatic. Make sure it is running. Start the service, click on apply, and then click on OK. Once done, you need to locate for the third service, which is the Windows installer. And in order to navigate that easily, just select any of the service here, type W in your keyboard, and please find for Windows installer. Make a right click, click on properties here, and then you need to go with start. Once you have start the service, please click on apply and then click on OK. And then you need to locate for Windows Update. Okay. So here, once you find it, make a right click. Please restart the service. Once you've restarted it, you need to make a right click, click on the properties, and then set it into automatic. Make sure it is running, click on apply and then click on OK and then close the window. Once you've closed it, check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the next solution. So before we navigate onto that, I want you to copy the commands that I have given at the YouTube description. This is one. Once you have copied it, you need to proceed here at the search box, type for CMD. Once you've typed it, you need to wait until you can see a best match, which is a command prompt system. And from that, you need to navigate to run as administrator. Here at the command prompt system, okay, you need to copy and paste this command. So this is the first set of command, which is this one. So you need to run this one by one. So by that, you need to copy the first one and then paste it here. And then once you have pasted that one, wait until it would be finished. And once done, proceed to the second. Then click on the paste here. Okay. Make a right click so that you can paste it and proceed to the third once the second has been finished. Once all of this three set of command has been done, which is this one, you need to restart your computer. So by that, close this window and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to bring up the command prompt again. So at the search box, please type for CMD. And then once a best match has been opened, you need to navigate here at the right side and go with the Run as Administrator. Now click on it. Once you have opened this command prompt, okay, you need to proceed to the second set of commands. So this one. So it is a pretty long command actually. All you need to do is you need to paste it here one by one and not as a whole, just like what you did with the previous command. So proceed to here. Okay, paste it one by one as long as this one, as well as this one here, paste it one by one. And then once you are good, restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, check if the problem has been fixed. Okay? Now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on a day notification bell so that you will be notified for upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.